The biggest tip that I can offer for somebody who's looking to install a pool safety cover, and they really haven't done it before and they're not really sure what to expect, it's actually a pretty straightforward and easy process, and it's only if you try to kind of get ahead of yourself or take a shortcut where you can get into trouble. And what I'm talking about in specific is the order in which the straps are installed. Now, on my swimming pool safety cover installation page, I have a big diagram that I've drawn up that shows a rectangle pool and the approximate order that you would install the safety cover straps in. And I'll give you an example here. The first one would be the long strap that's approximately in the center of the swimming pool. That would be the first one that I would install, and I would drill one hole on one end of the pool. Of course, after I have the cover situated such that I think it's a perfect fit on the pool, I will drill one hole which is in the center of a short wall, and then I will go to the other end of the pool and I will drill the other end of that same strap, and I will tighten that strap fully, install it with the anchors under tension before I drill any more holes. And I find that's where a lot of installers and a lot of handymen who haven't installed these covers before can go wrong, is you drill one hole and then you drill the other and connect those. And then what I would do is I would drill one on each side of the hole that I was standing at, and then I would connect those, and I would go to the other end of the pool and I would do the same thing again. But what a lot of people do is they get overzealous. This seems like it's going really fast, and how much could you be off by? I'll just drill 4 holes instead of 2 holes. I'll just do one here and one here, but then also one here and one here. And it saves you from having to walk back and forth, right? Right. But what it also does is it can leave you in a situation where you end up with a permanent wrinkle in that installation of the safety cover. And by going only the minimum amount of holes at a time and actually physically connecting each of those straps before you drill any more holes, that is the correct way to go about installing a safety cover. And that's the biggest tip that I could give somebody who's going to try this, is take your time. Don't jump ahead. Don't drill holes ahead of time. Only drill holes as the next strap is being installed, and if you do that, you're almost certain to have a good safety cover installation. If this information was helpful to you, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.